What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya, and today we're going to be revealing this boom and crash strategy that managed to make me $45 early in the morning as I was trading. As you can see on my trades, the time was around 6 a.m. in the morning, and I was just trying out this strategy and seeing if it's profitable. And as you can see, we actually managed to make some profits. I actually managed to withdraw about $100, mainly from trading with this strategy. So here are my today's trades. Some of my profits are from yesterday, but I'm going to show you guys how I managed to do this. I know maybe $45 might be very little for you guys, but if you have a bigger account and if you have more capital, this $45 can be 45,000 quite easily. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, welcome. I review different trading strategies daily, and if you want to learn forex trading, if you want to get an understanding of how all this works out, make sure you click that subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post videos like this right here on this platform. Like I said, we do this daily, so if you want to improve your trading, here is the channel for you to follow daily. Just find 10 minutes each and every single day to watch this channel. So make sure the notification bell that's right next to your subscribe button is turned on. I'm gonna try and build traders, great traders in the next 100 days, and it's going to require you to show up each and every single day. Okay, so this is the strategy that make me all this much. I'm going to share with you guys from the settings. We're going to talk about the conditions that have to be met when you want to use this strategy. We're also going to talk about some live trading examples, and I'm most likely going to show you my position this morning, the one that I traded and made $45 while it's using very much minimum lots and minimum risk. If you have a small account, you actually might be able to grow your trading account from this. Okay, so as usual, I'll remove all the indicators that we have. This is how we start our videos right here on this channel, and as you can see, we have a blank chart on Crash 500. We are going to be using our 15-minute time frame. We're going to be using our 15-minute time frame, and that's all you need to really have in mind. The zoom level on this strategy is negligible. It still works on any zoom level that you prefer. Okay, this is one of the good parts about this strategy. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install is called the Ichimoku. So I'm going to go to my indicator section, then I'm going to look for the Ichimoku, which is right here. And this Ichimoku is going to have the following properties. We've got a Tenkan Sen of 9, a Kijun Sen of 9, a span B of 9. There is no fill on this indicator, and when we get to visualization, we want it to appear on all time frames, although I said we're going to be using the 5-minute time frame only. It also helps you guys to have some freedom on time frames. You can check it, you can cross check in all other time frames if you're getting the same buyers. Okay, and then on style, we only want our Tenkan Sen and our Kijun Sen to show up. The rest should have the colors of your background. So the down Kumo should be white if you have a white background, and your up Kumo and your span should all be white if you have a white background like me. Such that if you click on done, what you have showing on your charts only is that brown line that you see right there and nothing else. The brown and the black line, that's the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen only. Okay, moving on, we're going to need our last indicator, which is going to be the awesome oscillator. So going back to indicators, main window, we're going to look for the awesome oscillator. I think you guys are familiar with it, and we're going to have the default properties. So we'll simply click done. But just for clarity, on your awesome oscillator, your value up should correspond with your bullish candlesticks. So my bullish candlesticks are green, that's why my value up is green, and also your value down should be in line or have the same color as your bearish candlesticks. So my bearish candlesticks are red, that's why you see my value down is red. So that if I click done, you have these red and green bars. Okay, and they're going to be telling me the momentum of the market. So whenever I see my awesome oscillator having red bars, I know that the value is down, right? The value of that index is down. And when I see that my awesome oscillator is green, I know that the value up is up, right? So how do you trade with this strategy? Before we get into all that, please make sure you click that subscribe button and you like this video. Comment down below what you have learned during this video, and I'm going to be picking up people that I'm adding to our VIP Signals group that are participating and helping them out with trading. So all you have to do is to make sure you've subscribed, like this video, comment down below in the comment section, and you can send me a screenshot showing me that you've done all that. I'll be picking up consistent viewers to join our VIP Signals group, where you'll be able to trade and get the same entries that I'm using right here. Feel free to join our Telegram channel. It's completely free, where I post anything to do with trading, all your trading materials, all my trading results, my student trading results, anything that is going to help you grow in your trading journey will be in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. And you can also check out our new TikTok channel, where we are posting short form strategies that are going to help you get into the market quickly. We're talking about trading materials that are very short and precise, straight to the point, that can help you actually grow in your trading journey as quickly as you can. So I'll leave again the link in the description box below. You can easily check it out and be part of us. And if you are interested in account management, having us trade with you together and making a profit out of it, make sure you contact us. And if you want to learn in detail how to trade like a professional, again, you can still learn from us. All that you will be able to find out the details in the Telegram channel. There'll be my WhatsApp number only in my Telegram channel, and it's, like I said, it's free to join for everyone. Let's take a look at this strategy. How are you going to trade this market? Remember, I said you're going to be using confluence trading, which means that we're going to be looking at indicators and price action at the same time. So you need your price action notes if you have them. If you don't, make sure you join my mentorship class and learn the best price action that you can in the world. Okay, so how do you trade? We're going to look for buying opportunities on crash mostly, and then selling opportunities on boom. But you can still do both spike catching and scalping, or going against spikes with this strategy. But what I'm mostly comfortable in is my scalping, or going against spikes. So I'll start off with this nice clean example. Like I said, it will be in the 15-minute time frame, and I'll be looking for two things when I want to get into the market. Number one, I'm looking for this peak. I need to see a peak formation on my awesome oscillator, which has two colors. So it's a two-tone peak, and if it starts with red and ends with green, it means we're shifting our momentum from a bearish momentum to a bullish momentum. Okay, so I've identified my peak. Now the next thing that I'll need is to identify my entry point, and my Ichimoku is going to give me my entry point. My entry point will be when my candlesticks cross to be above that brown line, right? And what I'm mostly interested in is I want my price to close while it's above that brown line that you see, right? So we want a candlestick to break that brown line and close above it. This shows that there's been a change in our market structure. The previous market structure of this downtrend will be changed into an uptrend. Okay, and now my price action will then come in on my take profit levels and my stop loss levels. With my price action, I'm now looking for previously respected prices, so I can already see that at this level price was being respected. Why? Because each and every time we were reaching that level, price was reacting. Can you see? There was always a reaction. So I know the next time I'm going to hit that price point, there will be a reaction. Can you see? And there it was. So even though my price first pushed to this level, because I understand my strategy, I was going to wait even for this drawdown to okay, because I knew eventually we would reach that top point. Okay, I knew eventually we would reach that top point. Let me re-explain this maybe in another example. Okay, like I said, what am I looking for? I'm looking for this peak. And I am looking for price to break my brown line, and it did right there. And as you can see, price pushed up, reversed, and then picked up again. Can you see that when it reversed and picked up again, it formed another peak right here? That two-tone peak where it starts in red and going into green, right? And we eventually succeeded in our trade. I actually ended this trade late. I ended it somewhere here, and I actually closed it around this price point because I was anticipating that we're also obviously going to respect the previously respected price point, so I exited a little bit earlier. Okay, guys, if you want to study this in more detail, obviously we can do it right here in a 10-minute video on YouTube. You have to get proper information and full information because trading is very risky. You will need to understand what you're doing entirely before getting into the market. Okay, maybe let's take a look at Boom and see selling opportunities that are possible when you're trading against spikes. Okay, first thing, like I said, you need a two-tone peak, and you can see that this time it will start with green and end with red because we're now going down. We want to sell, of course, and of course we want to have a candlestick that crosses our brown line and closes below the other brown line to indicate this downward momentum. Please do not expect the market to just go into a sell the moment you enter. Why? You're trading, number one, from a very high time frame, which means there's much room for manipulation. There's much room for market to move in and out. It's different from when you're in a 1 minute time frame where you're looking for those sniper entries where you get in with the zero drawdown. When you're now in a higher time frame, it's obviously that you're going to be swinging, you're going to be ready for the retracements. So you should always have that in mind so that you don't exit winning positions, well, because you'll be afraid that the market is going against you. This is why I say try this strategy first on your demo accounts. Make sure that you understand it. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. If you want a quick response, ask the questions in the comment section because I'll be reading all the comments and replying to you guys and trying to help you. So same concept even if you're on Boom, and as you can see we have got some pretty nice results right there. Try and avoid a choppy market like this whereby the market is not really giving you some swing trades or some good momentum. Or even if you do want to trade a choppy market like this, you make sure that you are closing your trades a little bit earlier and you're monitoring your trades because it will be almost like scalping, but it is not. So I don't want to make this video too long because I'm already losing my battery, but I hope you guys try this out first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts where there are emotions involved. The psychology is important. And maybe let's look at another example of trades that I took with this strategy. Can you see all these sell trades that you see? I would have ended them. All these. Can you see? Identified my peak. That was a nice clean peak, nice clean break on our brown line, and the market pushed all the way down. We milked Boom 1000 probably that day. As you can see, there's so many trades that was entering right around that point. So like I said, I'm sure I explained each and every important part for this strategy. I hope you try it out. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel.